Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Emil here, your go-to guide for everything EdTech and workplace learning. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer complexity of your learning management system? Or wonder why, despite the myriad of features, you only ever use a fraction of them? Well, you're not alone. And today we're diving into how AI-powered LMS technology is transforming this landscape, making it so intuitive that in the future you'll barely need to learn how to use a learning management system. You'll just get it done through AI. Intrigued? Let's get to it. Did you know that the average user touches only between 5% and 12% of the features available in Microsoft Word? And this is Word, a product that most of us have been using all our lives. Now imagine the complexity of a learning management system. Traditional systems like Cornerstone, for instance, often require back-end support just to navigate their intricate designs. It's like trying to pilot a spaceship just to send an email. So what if I told you that OpenELMS has been pioneering ergonomic design since 2003? We crafted a Netflix-style interface even before Netflix became a thing. This makes our system incredibly intuitive for both learners and management users alike. But as learning management systems become more sophisticated, the pressure on users to learn and adapt grows. There is a time where more functionality means more complexity, regardless of the system design. The iPod is an example of something that sacrificed functionality to have a pure and usable design. But it did have to sacrifice the bells and whistles, albeit to a great end effect. Now, learning management systems demand these knobs and whistles. We receive tenders, often sometimes with over 400 different features. So what is the solution? At OpenELMS, we've embedded AI in ways that fundamentally change user interaction. Usability is at the forefront. Think of AI as your personal assistant, simplifying complex tasks like setting up configurations, creating forms, and generating management information reports, all through a conversational AI interface. Imagine just asking your LMS to handle a task, and it's done instantly, without you ever having to leave the front screen. Let's take generating a progress review form, for instance. How often should the form be sent out? Which fields should be accessed by the learner and which by the manager? Who should the forms carry forward data from previous work? Who needs to sign it off? Are there any additional forms needed to be added to the workflow? As you can see, the questions just go on and on. It gets complicated very, very quickly. Now, by using AI, we can simply ask a user what they want. A review form, and the AI will work out who should sign it, what each person should see, and present the solution to the user just for their approval. And the user can then make tweaks as a result of this conversation between the LMS and the user and the individual. This means that interface design becomes almost irrelevant for most users. Tasks get done efficiently because AI acts as the interpreter and operator of the system, allowing you to focus on implementation and strategy. Learning and forms are produced, reports are made, and users are followed up. This system just works as you want it to because you've had the conversation. So back to our initial question. Will we ever need to learn how to use a learning management system or any computer system again? With AI powering your LMS, the answer is increasingly leaning towards no. Imagine the possibilities. More time for strategic thinking and less time mired in working out how to use the system. If you want to see this in action, get in touch with us. Our team is not just about technology, we're about partnerships. We work closely with sectors like local government, emergency services, healthcare, and higher education. We ensure compliance through continuous improvement through our AI-powered LMS solutions. If you found this insight helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more content on how AI and innovative design are reshaping workplace learning.